Yeah, we're gonna go riding. I'm gonna have to drive it one hand on the bike. Look at the bike. Yeah. I just have to be careful with the cars. Make sure we don't crash it. If not, we sold. So yeah, guys. Bro's already trying to go fast. We barely started riding. He was complaining that it was gonna be so hot, but actually when we drive, we get so much air. I have to drive one hand, guys. Just one hand. Look, as you can see, one hand. One is the camera. One is the camera, so yeah. Bro, go slow. Try to keep up. I'm good. Go fast. So yeah, guys, we're gonna show you guys the park up there. And let's see if we're gonna hear the comments and how you guys like it. Okay. This is cool, y'all. This is very cool. Bro's having so much fun. Look at it. Number 7, Cristiano Ronaldo. Comment who's better, Ronaldo or Messi. Me and him think Ronaldo's better. Me and him is in the ISO speed on the side. Ronaldo's 10 times better. So yeah, I wanna be riding around. Yeah, we're close to getting to the park. We're literally not that far. We turn here. Oh shit, there's water up there. So yeah, we're gonna go straight and then there's a block right there that we're gonna turn to it. Yeah, look, you see how dirty is. We're trying to wash it, but we can't because some door doesn't want to enter. Some door doesn't enter. He's up there. Look at that black car. It's a Corvette. That thing is so cool. And bro, I'm gonna have to speed it up. Sorry if I drive crooked, bro. Just trying to speed up here. Bro, it's already turning. Hell nah. Oh, hell nah. Look it. Yeah. He's right there. Bro can't go slow. Yeah, I'm gonna tell him that I'm gonna have to go around. Video! Oh, yeah, he can't hear me. I'm gonna have to take this block right here. Yake. Oh, that hurt me. That hurt. He's already here. I have to go around the whole block. This is where I like going around this whole thing. I like spinning. Alright, y'all. Here we are. Chat, look. Here it is. Yeah, look. You can see the video. The video. What should I do? I'm gonna go into the neighborhood. Just go up there and do something. Put that first. Oh. Get it. This? No. There. So, yep. He said we're going somewhere. I'm gonna follow him. We're gonna go to a park to play baseball more later. When the sun cool down. Because he didn't like being in a haunted that much. Yeah, there he goes again. Oh, crap. As you can see, he's driving his mom bike. And I'm driving his bike. Because we're cousins, not brothers. We're going fast. In camera, it looks like we're going slow, but actually, in person, we're actually going fast. Oh, I went too fast up the bump. This is very cool right here. You can hear the bird, homie. This is so sick, y'all. Look at that. Beautiful trees. Beautiful trees. Yup. He's driving one hand, as you can see. My other hand is on the wheel. I don't know what he want to do here. It's a drag race. It's a drag race. Look at him. He's having fun. Oh, he's going one hand too. Okay, I'm gonna get closer, y'all. I'm gonna get to his side. Say what's up. He's speeding it up. He's speeding it up. Speeding that shit up. It's my turn. Y'all look at that. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Bro, zoom me. Yeah, I've been 6 minutes already. Damn, bro. I'm sweating balls. Look who's back there. Last time we were driving, his chain fell off. I can already hear it. Yeah, guys.